Francisco Biology. Now today we are going to the part number 16 of the biological classification. In previously class we have studied about the eubacteria, characteristics of the eubacteria, occurrence of eubacteria, what is the thallus organization, filamentous types and non-filamentous type thallus. We have already studied about that. Okay, now today we are going to the new topics like that, the reproduction. Which type of reproduction presents in the eubacteria? Let's see. Different types of the vegetative and asexual reproductions are present in the eubacteria. Like the first is the generally simple type of cell division. Generally first cell and divide by septum and divided into two cells. Simple cell division. Okay. Now first is the cell division here. Now second is the fragmentation, like this now that's fragment or that fragment are separated from main body part, and this separated out fragment are converted into the new organism. Okay. And third is the hormospore. Hormospore. Hormospore found in the Vestilia lanosa. Okay, the eubacteria presence in the hormospore type. Hormospore is the asexual reproduction. Next, echinate. Echinate we already discussed the on this point. Echinate. Okay. Now the endospore. 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 Okay, these endospore are favorable condition. This endospore, the wall is that this wall is lysis and lysis wall and mother wall is lysis. Then after this endospore are released out and converted in the new organism. We have already discussed the normal part and minimum part is already down. Okay. Now next is the exospore, means that spore is the exposed to outer environment, so called as the exospore. This exospore, this exospore, when favorable condition come, this exospore emerge out and converted into a new organism. That's the same things, echinate and the nanocytes. Okay, the nanocytes are developed in the new organism. So whole summary of the vegetative and asexual reproduction. In this reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction, we have to learn. This important part is the only example, not to detail information. We have to learn or remember only example. The example is very important in concern to medical as the NEET in JIPMER. Okay, now like that. First, vegetative reproductions, fusion the Syncococcus. I said you, I already told you. In which part? In reproductive part of the eubacteria. Important example is the only important, not to whole uh, methods. Okay. Fragmentation, that is the oscillatoria. Second is the Clandrosperm miscicola. Okay. Hormogonia formation in the oscillatoria nostoc. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं कि यूबैक्टीरिया में फ्रेगमेंटेशन किसमें होता है. We have to learn. Okay, we have to remember. Next, hormospore, Vestilia lanosa. Okay, asexual reproduction by different types of the spores like that. Echinate in the Anabina spherica, and the species of the Anabina, and the Glirioticia natans, Gliriotrix fusca are all are examples of the echinate type of spore. Echinate type of asexual reproductions in presence in the eubacteria. Endospore we already discussed about. Dermocarpa, exospore, chemiosyphon या chemiosyphon. Okay. And nanocyte, microcystis, It's all examples, the very important in concern to NEET, AIMS and JIPMAR. Don't forget that. Okay. Remember in every movement. Next, similarities of cyanobacteria or cyanophyceae. We can say another word, cyanophyceae. Okay, so similarities of cyanophyceae or cyanobacteria with the bacteria, like both have unorganized nucleus. We already know about that's monarians, and डिवाइड मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनिज्म, बिल्कुल इसके अंदर आपके सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म एब्सेंस होते हैं, वी ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट दैट. ओके, सेल वॉल मेड अप ऑफ द म्यूकोपेप्टाइड और द म्यूरिन, दैट्स राइट. Important, oscillatoria of the blue green alga or cyanobacteria, and bigoita is the sulfur bacteria, means true bacteria. Bacteria, bigoita from bacteria and oscillatoria from the cyanobacteria are so similarities in shape and movement. Shape and movement दोनों में ये समानता है, दोनों में similarities है. Okay, both are sensitive to antibiotics. Any antibiotics, they sensitive, so sensitivity. Similarities in many metabolic reactions like that, nitrogens and sulfur metabolism. Those both organisms, cyanobacterians and bacterians, both organisms show the metabolic responses, metabolic processes like the nitrogen and sulfur metabolism. ओके, क्लियर हो रहा है? बिल्कुल, बिना क्लियर हुए तो कुछ मतलब भी नहीं है इन सबका पढ़ना. ओके ना, ग्रेट. नेक्स्ट है एब्सेंस ऑफ द asexual reproduction but genetic recombination is present. We already discussed that. Next, similarities of the cyanophyceae with the rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae means the red algae. Okay, like that. Both groups resemble in the absence of motile cell. Both means the absence of the any locomotory organ, means flagella, cilia, or an extra etc. All our locomotory organ are absent. So we can say that non-motile cells, non-motile structures, not present the motile structure. Important, some pigments are from cyanophycean and some pigments of the eubacterian, or sorry, bacterians, are similarities in structures of the pigment like that. Cyanophycean pigment like that, C phycocyanin blue and C phycoerythrin red. These both pigments are chemically similar to the rhodophycean pigment. Rhodophycean pigments means algae, algal. Okay, algae. We have to study in the plant kingdom. Okay, next in the next chapter, third chapter. Which type of rhodophycean pigment? R phycocyanin and R phycoerythrin, means C phycocyanin, C phycoerythrin, and R phycocyanin and R phycoerythrin. Both are chemically similar. Clear? A C indicate means cyanophycean, cyanophycean. R indicate mean rhodophycean. Clear? Next, economic importance. What is the economic? Beneficial activity. So, like the nostoc community, species of nostoc. Nostoc community is the used in soup in China. सूप के फॉर्म में जो पीते हैं ना, सूप के फॉर्म में यूज किया जाता है. And 22 cyanophyceae shows nitrogen environmental nitrogen fixation like that nostoc, avena and extra all 22 species of Cyanophyceae and form nitrogenous compound but in presence of the heterocyst means that in the cell presence of the heterocyst without heterocyst never perform this atmospheric this fixation of atmospheric nitrogen but one exception one organism haven't any type of heterocyst but perform nitrogen fixation environmental nitrogen fixation. Let's see non-heterocyst means heterocyst substance membrane like the Planctonema boreanum are able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the anaerobic condition. Here that the aerobic condition, here that the anaerobic condition याद रखना है exceptions है clear harmful activity cause डैमेज ऑफ बिल्डिंग प्लास्टर्स स्टोन्स एक्सेट्रा है ना अपन देखते हैं ब्लैकिश हो जाती है बिल्डिंग वगैरह पानी से वगैरह तो वहाँ पे कौन सी किसकी वजह से तो अपन कहेंगे यू बैक्टीरियंस की वजह से नेक्स्ट है माइक्रोसिस्टिस एंड एनाविना फॉर्म द वाटर ब्लूम वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट सपोज ये वाटर एक पॉन्ड है अगर ये आपके एनाविना माइक्रोसिस्ट वहाँ अगर सर्वाइव कर जाए then ultimately all oxygens are utilized resulting rest aquatic animals aquatic plant are source deficient of the oxygen and ultimately leads to death है ना धीरे धीरे ऑक्सीजन की कमी होने से ऑक्सीजन टेंशन बढ़ता है और बाकी सब ऑर्गेनिज्मों को मरना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट deficiency of the oxygen. Why create a deficiency of the oxygen? Because of that this eubacterians microcystis and anabina consume more and more oxygens. Okay, होप सो आपके पूरा क्लियर हो चुका होगा ओके क्लियर नहीं हुआ है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें क्लियर बाय